Shandong Mayai Power Technology Company Limited is founded in 2018. We are located in Taoyuan Industrial Park, Zhangqiu, Shandong Province. Covers an area of 35,000 square meters. We have more than 100 employees, including 20 engineering and technical personnel. We are a modern team in equipment manufacturing, R&D, design and management. Our factory is equipped with more than 30 sets advanced machining center, 3-sit testing center, 2-way CNC surface planer, CNC boring and milling machine. Our main products cover different kinds of air blower, roots blower all-in-one machine, turbo blower etc., which could be widely used in wastewater treatment, fish farming, paper machine, gas, material transferring industries etc. Our sales and after-sales service covers all over the world.